Okay, my algebra students, I hope you're having a great time without me there. Actually, I don't know. I don't know why I say that. I hope you're having a horrible time without me there. I hope you miss me. But I hope Miss Pessel's treating you good. I'm going to go ahead and do this page, this algebra multi-step inequalities for 10-2. So just follow along. I'm going to do a few examples. So this one is similar to yesterday. So I want you at the top to just, to remind yourself, flip the symbol. Let me focus this. Flip the symbol. I just hate when I write that it just does this. Flip the symbol when you, I'm going to focus it while my hands are, maybe that'll help. Maybe not. Oh, maybe I need to put it down. Actually, that'll be better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so flip the symbol when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and simplify both sides first, right? We're going to solve it exactly like we do any equation, but we're just going to flip the symbol if we need to, if it's a negative number that we're multiplying or dividing by. So I'm going to multiply this outside number to each number in here. That's called distribution. Remember that word, distribution. It's a vocabulary word. Okay, so 3 times negative 5, that's going to be negative 15b. 3 times negative 3, that's going to be, negative, still negative, negative 9. And then I'm going to solve it like I normally would. I want to get b by itself, so the 15 and the 9 have to go. The negative 15 and the negative 9 have to go. You have to decide which one first, right? So I hope I've pounded into your mind so much that you remember that it's always the adding subtracting number that you do first, right? So this is subtracting 9, so I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite of that to both sides. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So I'll have rewriting as negative 15b here, and this would be 3, let's see, 13, but that would be 9, that's weird. Hold on, I'm having a brain malfunction right now. Okay, so if I take away 9 from 14, 84 minus 9, it's going to be 5. I don't know why I was thinking 13. Okay, so that'll be 5 because I was adding. That's what I was doing. Okay, so it's going to be 5, and then this would be 7. So 75. Sorry guys. Okay, so 75, and then I'm going to divide by negative 15 on both sides, right? Because that's the opposite of multiplying. Remember, the numbers next to a letter that's multiplying. The opposite is to divide. So that's why we divide on both sides. Inverse operations. That's a vocabulary word, using inverse operations. So we divide by negative 15. That is a negative that we're dividing by, so we're going to have to flip the symbol. So instead of it being b is greater than, it's going to be b is less than or equal to 75 divided by 15, which would be, I believe that would be, let's see, 15 times 4 would be 20. So I'm thinking it's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Yeah, so this would be 5. So we need negative 5.
GPS signal lost.
Sorry about that. Okay, so that is number 1. let's go to one that has a little bit more numbers in it. So I'm going to go to number 4, and I'm going to put a line down the middle there. And same thing, we got to simplify this side and simplify this side. This side's good, but this side has quite a few things that need to be simplified. So I'm going to distribute first. Remember, this is a negative 5. Remember, don't forget that sign in front. So negative 5 times negative 3k, that's going to be positive 15k. Negative 5 times positive 2 is going to be negative 10. And then I'm going to rewrite this here. Negative 3k, this is a positive 15, so it's going to be plus 15k. Okay, and I do have common or like terms here, so I can combine those. 15 minus 3 would be positive 12k minus 10. Sorry, minus 10. Okay, and I'm going to just rewrite the stuff over here. This is completely simplified now, so now I can go ahead and do my solving. 12 is getting multiplied to the k, the 10 is getting subtracted from it. So this is my adding subtracting number. I'm going to move this first. So I'm going to do the opposite of subtracting. I'm going to add 10 to both sides. Okay, so negative 70 plus 10, that's going to be negative 60. We got 12k here. To get k by itself, lastly, is they're getting multiplied. The opposite is to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 12 using our inverse operations. K is going to still be greater than negative 6 divided by 12, which will be negative 5. I kept the symbol the same because our number that we were dividing by was positive. So the symbol stayed the same. Okay, and I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do one more like that. I'll go ahead and do number 8 as well with you guys. So again, number 8, you're distributing here. 3 times 6, positive 3 times positive 6x, that's going to be 18x. Positive 3 times positive 2, that's going to be positive 6. And then I rewrite the negative 5 here. This is a positive 18, so it's going to be plus 18x. I don't have any other x's, so that's just going to stay. But I can combine the negative 5 and the positive 6. So negative 5 plus 6 is going to be positive 1. So I'll have left over 18x plus 1. I'm going to rewrite the stuff over here, and then I am ready to solve. I want to get x by itself, so that means that the 18 and the 1 got to go. 18 is getting multiplied to the x, 1 is getting added. My adding subtracting number is the 1. I'm going to get rid of that first. The opposite of adding is to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Cancel that out. I get 18x is greater than negative 90. And my last thing is going to be to divide by 18. Again, this is a positive number. So it's going to, the symbol will stay the same. So I have x is greater than 90 divided by 18. I don't even know what that is. I wish I had a calculator. Let's see. So that's going to be 18. It's close to 20. So maybe 5. 5 times 8 is 40. It's going to be 5. It's 5. Okay. So x is greater than 5. Okay, so hopefully that all made sense. You did similar stuff when you were solving for equations. They like built you up exactly the same way, except this time we have inequalities, and you just have the added knowledge that you have to flip the symbol when you divide by a negative number. Other than that, it's completely the same as solving equations. Okay, so hopefully you do good on that. If you have any questions or anything, maybe you can work in groups, but that'll be at Ms. Bessel's discretion. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks. Bye.